Hello guys, this is exercise number 26 and I have created the main method, and what I want to do here is to loop through 2 to 1000 and print the prime numbers. So that's what our program is going to do. So I have already created a class here in the main method, and here I'm going to type a two variable int count and assign to 1, and also int number assigned to 2, let's say, because that's where I want to start with number 1, 2, and also I need another variable called boolean. In case you have never seen boolean, this is how you type boolean, and I want to ask if is prime number, and then I'll put, by default I would add should be true. Okay, so my boolean is prime number is always true. So what I want to ask the user sysout the prime number from 2 to 1000 and let's put in a new line, so print new line like that. So I'm going to use for loop to do that. So what I have to do is, first I'm going to pass a number here, and I'm going to say is less or equal to 1000, because I want it to reach to 1000, to print from 1000. So if you don't put this equal sign here, that means it's going to print to 999. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to put this so that it goes to 1000. Okay, and then let's loop increment by 1 plus. Okay, and here to make this complete, because as I told you before, it is for loop, it doesn't work without 3 things, so we have to add another semicolon like this, so it will work now. So, and here within for loop I need to write some bit of logic, but I'll start with is true, is prime equal to true. Again, I'm just specifying because I'm inside within this for loop here. Forget about this one, but this was just our variable, we can use it here, and I'm saying it's true within a for loop. And again I'm going to go another loop again, and this loop, this is where I'm going to type, like, let's say divisor equal to 2, and then divisor is less or equal to number divided by 2. Okay, and the last thing is divisor increment. Okay, and then within this for loop I'm going to write another logic here. Okay, just type this right 2 times. Okay, within here I'm going to type something: if number remainder of divisor is not equal to 0, hope you see it clearly, is not equal to 0, then what we have to do, we have to continue. Okay, so, and here I say is prime, we assign to false, and then we break. Okay, so if number divided by divisor, which I'm looping this divisor here, divisor equal to 2, divisor this number divided by, so these are the numbers we are looping, we divide by 2, and here we use divisor to loop, you see. So Now I'm here saying if the number divided by remainder of divisor is not equal to 0, then we have to continue. Otherwise, is prime false, then we break. So then here I can say if is prime, then if it's prime, and if count remainder of 8 is equal to 0, then remember always on if statement you have to use the double equal. You cannot use one equal because this is equal and this one is you are assigning this prime to false. Okay, here it's true and here you're saying it should be false. Okay, so we print sysout then number. Okay, if it's prime, then we if it's prime and if the count remainder of 8 is 0, then we have to print the number. Okay, and else sysout just want to print this one, print, and I'm going to print the number, or I can use string builder. You can just use the string class dot value of boolean, which is number, and then I can append the space, and then convert everything to string. Alright, and then because this is count, we have to increment the count by plus, which is this one here. Okay, so this is for loop, and you can Control Shift format, and this is your program. It's very small, but it's very tricky. If you don't master this fundamental, these are basics. If you don't master this, it's really going to be very hard for you to write a big programming or big software. So I recommend you to read a lot and try to understand what I'm trying to do here. So save, and then you run the program. You see, so the prime number from 2 to 1000 are these are the numbers. So you may be asked to print these numbers, so you have to think and see how you can do it. So but this is how you do it. So you loop through the number themselves, and then you create a boolean, and you turn the boolean to true, and you go for loop again. You go through this divisor, and then if the number is remainder of divisor is not equal to 0, then you continue. Okay, and then you turn this is prime false. Okay, and then you break, and if the count remainder of this, print this number. Else system, you print the space, and this is the space, which this space I can just put whatever, anything, doesn't really matter, it's just a space. You can put this and save and try to run again. You see this space, so within the space I just put this card. Thank you guys, and remember subscribe and like, and bye bye.